So boys, after doing the definition and activity, we will move toward our exercise, that is exercise 5a. We will do question number 4, convert into meters. As we all know, 1 kilometer has 1000 meters. So the question is 45 kilometer 415 meters. It is already in meter. This is not in meter. We have to convert this in meter and then add the answer in meters with these meters. Okay. So let's start, boys. What I have to do to convert the 45 kilometers into meters, I will write 1 kilometer has 1000 meters, so that I remember it. Okay, so 45 kilometers equals to 45 multiplied by 1000, and this 1000 I will write meters because now it will be meters. Multiplying 45 with 1000 will be 45,000. We will write 45,000 here. 45,000 meters. So boys, now it is in meter, and here you can see this is also in meters. So I will write, remember here we don't have to write equals to. We cannot write 2 equals to, okay? So now I will write the sum over here. 45 kilometers 415 meter, and this is now 4530 and meter plus 415 meters. So it will be 45,415 meters. But it will be 45,415 meters. Okay. Now move toward our next sum. So boys, the sum is 39 kilometer. What we have to do? It is so easy. We will write 1 kilometer has 1000 meter. So 39 kilometer will be, what it will be? 39 multiplied by 1000. 39 multiplied by 1000 meter. Okay. The height of 1 and 0 should be the same. Okay. Do not make it like this. Okay. This will be 39,000 meter. Here you can see the height of 9 and 0 is same. So this is our answer. The next sum is 405 meter, boys. So it is so easy. I am leaving this sum on you. Let me write another sum. So boys, after doing question number 4, we will move toward the next question, that is question number 9. Add the following sums. Here it is in kilometers and meter, kilometers and meter. So we have to add 45 kilometer, 150 meter and 47 kilometer, 940 meters. In the solution, what we have to do, boys, first we have to write kilometers because we will write the value of kilometer under kilometer, and we will leave some space and then write meter over here. Okay, let's see. For the first value, meter has 3 values. For the first quantity, meter has 3 values, that is 1, 50, and kilometer has 2 values, that is 45. Okay. Always remember this 45 kilometer and 150 meter will come in one line. The next value is 47 kilometer, 940 meter. I will write 0 under 0, 4 under 5, 9 under 1, and this 7 under 5 and 4 under 4. Okay. Then I will add it. So boys, 0 plus 0 is 0. 5 plus 4 is 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. I will write 0 over here and 1 will get carried. 7, 5, 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. I will write 3 over here and 1 will get carried. Then 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. So our answer, boys, is, I will write the answer over here. 93 are in kilometers, okay, and 090 are in meters, okay. Word problem number 1, we will move toward word problem number 2, that is Rashid is 1 meter 56 centimeter tall, okay. The height of Rashid is 1 meter 56 centimeter. Tariq is 170 centimeter tall. Who is taller by how much? We have to find out who is taller. Here it is in centimeter, but it is meter and centimeter. So first we have to convert it. Okay. Let's write the one that we have. We do not have to convert it. So we will start our solution from this. We will write in the solution Tariq's height. T-A-R-I-Q apostrophe S, Tariq's height, H-E-I-G-H-T, height equals to 170 centimeters. Okay, boys. Now, whose height? Rashid. R-A-S-H-I-D. Rashid apostrophe S. Rashid's height. H-E-I-G-H-T. Rashid's height is 1 meter and 56 centimeters. So what we have to do, we have to convert this meter into centimeter, and we know 1 meter has 100 centimeter. So 1 multiplied by 100, it will be plus 56. This all will be in centimeters now. So 100s are 100. 100 plus 56 is 156. Okay, boys? 156 centimeters. Now you can see the height of Tariq and the height of Rashid. By seeing, you can tell who is taller. It means Tariq is taller. So what we have to do, now we have to tell how much taller. So for how much, you all know we have done when we were doing the word problems, we have written the words. So now you have to use your memory. You have to quickly use your memory, because math is about quick response. When I ask you 2 3s are in dodging table, you always give me the answer quickly. 2 3s are 6. So like this, when I will ask how much, you will tell me which operator. How much means how much taller. Tell me the quantity. So how much means we have to subtract it. So for this we will do, first we will write Tariq is taller, because we can see T-A-R-I-Q. Tariq is T-A-L-L-E-R, taller. Now how much? How much taller? What we will do? 170 centimeters minus 156 centimeters. So when we subtract 6 from 0, we cannot subtract. So we will borrow. 10 minus 6 is 4 and 6 minus 5 is 1. So 1 minus 1 is 0. It is 14 centimeters. Okay. It is 14 centimeters. So easy is this maths. So what we have to write? We have to give our answer in a statement form. We will write Tariq is 14 centimeters taller than is used for comparison. T-H-A-N. It is used for comparison. Then Rashid. Because Rashid is a name, so we will write R capital. Our today's classwork is, boys, we have done activity and we have done question number 8 part ABC. We have done word problem number 1 and 2, and these all work we have done on our copy. In homework I am giving you question number 8 full, page number 115 on copy. I want you to do the practice of question number 8 again and again, so when any sum comes in your test or in any exam or teacher or someone will ask, you can give a quick response. Okay, so boys, if you have any problem, you can ask me in the comments below. Take care of yourself.